So, Rebecca, I have questions for you, and a lot of my viewers probably have questions for you. But my first question is narcissists, are they born or are they formed in, as they're growing up and from society and their parents? And just, I've been curious about that.
Well, so, I'm not a psychologist. I just want to give that disclaimer, but I've been a high net worth family law litigator for over 20 years, and I've represented a lot of these personalities. And so what I've learned is from self-study and reading books and talking to people like Dr. Ramani and the people who are experts at this. And what I have learned is that it appears to be something that happens when you are a child. Something either traumatic happens, or it could be potentially, that they were overspoiled or whatever, but it does appear to be something that happens in childhood. They have a deep sense of insecurity. They have no sense of inner value. So they try to grasp as much sense of feeling of value from the external world as they possibly can. And it's really like a black hole. So they need endless amounts of what we call narcissistic supply, which is anything that feeds their ego.